Welcome back to Little Pigeon Forge. Today I'm making a bushcraft knife from this saw blade. Hope you enjoy. I'm going to start out by cutting out a rough shape. And if you would not mind, throw me a suggestion for a video idea in the comments below. So now I'm drilling the holes. And now I'm going to grind it to the desired shape. And if you are not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And I know most of you are not subscribed to my second channel, which is Pigeon Knives. You can find the link to it in the About tab of my channel. And now I'm grinding in the bevels. I was really happy with how well the bevels came out. They're very even. Now it's time to heat treat the blade. Now I'm going to clean the bevels up on my 1x30 belt sander. I chose this really cool piece of burl to be my handle. Now I'm going to grind the tops of the scales to be even with each other. Now I'm using the bandsaw to remove some of my extra handle material. Now I'm going to grind the wood down to the tang. Now I'm going to hand sand the handle. And this totally is not sped up at all. This is how fast I move. I'm going to apply XX to this knife's handle. It's at 1,500 grit. Looks pretty good without even being finished yet. Look at that. Ooh. This is it now. Tell me what you thought in the comments below. And thank you guys for 300 subscribers. It means a lot to me. This is my second model for my Rangu Bushcraft knife series. If you want to order this model of Bushcraft knife or my first model or my signature harvester, go to pigeonknives.com. These are all in limited supply, so get them while you can. The next goal is to get 350 subscribers. Let's hope we can hit that by next time I post a video. And until next one, bye.